Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some resin crystals. But before I do my resin, I always run it through this airless bubble removal machine. It works great to get rid of bubbles in your resin. I will link my tutorial showing step by step how to use this machine down below in the description box. It's really easy to use. You just plug it in and put the lid on, put your resin inside, and it's good to go. But it gives you crystal clear resin, super amazing. Highly recommend it. Definitely check it out. I'll link the machine down below along with my coupon code. These crystal molds I got from Let's Resin. I'll link them down below as well. I just sprayed them with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol, and that helps prevent bubbles from clinging or kind of lodging themselves in the crystal points of these molds. So I like to do that, and you can do that on any other project too, like coasters. It really helps prevent bubbles from clinging to the perimeter of your projects. And I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time. The deep pour epoxy from Let's Resin is a 2-to-1 ratio epoxy. If you want to see how I mix my 2-to-1 ratio epoxy, I'll link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. I really like this resin. It reminds me a lot of the liquid diamonds. I actually like it more than the liquid diamonds, so definitely check it out if you're looking for a deep pour epoxy. It works great. Just filled up the molds with my clear, and I had a few little surface bubbles. I just popped those with my gloved hand. Really easy to do that. And now I'm going to drop down some, this is actually holographic gift basket filler or Easter basket filler. I picked it up around Easter time, but you can also get this off Amazon. And if you can't find it in little strips like this, you could run it through a paper shredder or cut little strips yourself really easily. I really wanted to see how this would look with this holographic one because I thought it would give me a really cool finished piece. So I'm just going to place that down. I'm kind of pushing it into my clear. And same thing with this pink iridescent. I absolutely love this color. I found that a lot of people really don't like pink. Like the glitter that I sell in my Etsy shop, pink and red are always like the least popular. They don't sell very well, but I personally absolutely love pink. Let me know how you guys feel about pink down in the comments. I'm finding that most people don't like it, but I saw this cellophane and I had to give this a try because I just love the color and the iridescence of it. Same thing on this crystal, just placing it down onto the resin and kind of pushing it down into the resin as well. And that's really it. It's super easy to make these and they turned out so, so beautiful. I'm not going to bore you guys to death and place, every single piece of these on camera, but I was just putting enough to cover the bottom of each of these crystal molds. And definitely check out these molds too. They're from Let's Resin. I want to say it's about $12.99 for both molds, so not bad at all and really affordable. My discount code NAPTIME will give you a discount on Let's Resin's website. I'm just going to place a few more pieces down. I thought tweezers would be easier, but it wasn't really working. Resin is really sticky, so once you get it on your gloves, it's hard to pick stuff up easily. So this took me a lot of time, but I sped it up for this video because I didn't want to bore you guys to death. And I know I haven't been posting very much lately, so make sure that you hit the bell and turn on your notifications so you're notified when I do post longer videos. My schedule is a little bit crazy right now, but I am going to be posting more videos, so make sure you have your subscription bell turned on so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And that's really it. I let this cure for 48 hours. The Let's Resin Deep Pour Epoxy does take a little bit longer to cure because it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So I let it cure for 48 hours, pop these out of the mold. Look at how cool that turned out. It has a really fun rainbow look to it. So, so pretty. And these, I actually drilled a hole into them and turned them into ornaments. They're really pretty on a Christmas tree when the light shines kind of through them. You could also turn them into keychains, use them to embellish your resin art, or if you like to collect crystals, use them as decoration that way as well. A lot of different uses for them. I think they're pretty just sitting on the shelf, but like I said, I drilled a hole in them and used them as actual ornaments, which turned out really pretty too. And on the back, you might have a few pieces of that cellophane kind of sticking up, what I do is I just take some nippers or scissors and trim that off, and then it's good to go. You could add another kind of thin layer of clear if you wanted to kind of really cast those pieces in. Up to you how you want to do it. I did this all in one layer and then just trimmed off the excess. But let me know what you think. Let me know which one's your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Helps out my channel if you watch a few of my videos back to back. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye, guys.